Welcome to Study Loop.
So this question asks us why a boxer is able to exert a really big force on a punching bag, but not on a tissue in midair. So to answer this, we need to look at Newton's third law, which says that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Now, what this means is that when the boxer applies a force onto the bag applies that same force back onto the boxer. And those forces are equal, just in opposite directions. And it's the same case when the boxer is applying a force on the tissue. The tissue applies that same force back onto the boxer. And now, because the punching bag has a lot more mass, it is able to apply a much bigger force back onto the boxer to match the boxer's own force. But because this tissue over here is very light and it's hanging in midair, so there's nothing behind it, it cannot exert as big of a force back onto the boxer. And by Newton's third law, the boxer can only exert a force as big as the force that's being exerted back on it. Otherwise, the tissue is just going to move. So that's why, since the tissue is way lighter and has less inertia, the boxer cannot exert as large of a force on the tissue paper as he could on the punching bag.